Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to make an intermission in Roblox Studio. So creating an intermission in Roblox Studio typically involves assigning a separate scene or area where players can take a break or engage in different activities between main gameplay segments. So here's a step-by-step guide to create an intermission in Roblox Studio. So first, create a new place or scene. Open Roblox Studio and create a new place or a new scene within your existing game. You can do this by selecting File, then New or File, then New Scene. Next, design the intermission area. Use the studio's tools to design the intermission area. You can build structures, add decorations, place interactive elements, and create a relaxing environment for players to take a break. And now, add teleporters portal. So, to transition players from the main gameplay area to the intermission area, you can add teleporters or portals. Place teleporters parts or utilize a plugin that allows players to teleport between different areas of the game. Implement intermission mechanics. Depending on the purpose of the intermission, you can implement specific mechanics or features. For example, if players earn rewards during the main gameplay, you could have NPCs in the intermission area to claim these rewards. Configure spawn points. Set up spawn points in the intermission area to ensure that players spawn at the appropriate location when they enter the intermission. Add user interface or UI. Design and implement a user interface for the intermission. The UI could display information, instructions, or options for players during their break. And last but not the least, test and iterate. Test the intermission thoroughly to ensure it works as expected and provides a smooth transition for players. Gather feedback from players and make necessary adjustments to improve the intermission experience. Link the intermission experience. This is the last one. So you need to link the intermission to main gameplay. In your main gameplay area, create an event or trigger that initiates the transition to the intermission when the intermission phase is reached. Likewise, set up a mechanism to return players from the intermission to the main gameplay when the intermission is over. So, lastly, this is the very last step is to publish and share. Once you are satisfied with the intermission, save your changes in Roblox Studio and publish your gameplay. Encourage players to experience the intermission by providing clear instructions or cues within your main gameplay. Remember to consider the purpose and design of the intermission based on the context of your game. It can be an opportunity to engage players differently, add variety, or introduce additional content in a seamless manner. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!